Hello and welcome back. I'm Rachel, the girl with the Pilates mat. There is my mat right down there, and today we're going to do standing work. Now, standing work is really good for balance, for coordination, but also for strength. A lot of people think standing work's easier. It's actually not. It's actually pretty hard, and you can work the core when you're standing. So I'm going to try and incorporate all of that into today's workout. All right, so we're going to start. Let's have the feet hip width apart. Now, hip width, remember, is not the side of the hips here. It's here, the hip bones in the front. So that's relatively narrow, okay? And we're going to start with a nice standing posture. You're going to pull the belly button in, tuck your bottom under, and just lift up. So think of lifting up through the whole of your center. And we're going to start with the head, and we're going to work all the way down to the feet. All right? So you're going to start by taking a breath in, and you're going to breathe out and just take your chin to your chest so you can feel a nice little stretch through the back of the neck and then back up. Good. So you're going to breathe out, chin to the chest, and breathe in to come up. Good. And up. Good. Chin to the chest. And up. And one more, chin to the chest. And up. Now we're going to tilt the head over to the side. And then back up. Good. And then over the other way. And up. Good. So tilting. And up. Tilt. And up. Once more each way. Over. And up. And over. And up. And we're going to turn the head to the side. And come back to center. Other way. And back to center. Good. Over. And back. Over. And back. Once more each way. Over. And back. And over. And back. Shoulders up, back, and around. Up, back, and around. Up, back, and around. Good. So up, squeeze them at the back as they go back. Up, back, and around. One more. Up, back, and around. Now you're going to breathe in to bring the arms up. Breathing out, you're going to stretch out through the arms and shoulders. So you're going to inhale up. Exhale out. Inhale up. Exhale out. Good. Inhale up. Exhale out. One more. Inhale up. And exhale out. Now we're going to go the other way. So squeeze the shoulders at the back. Up and over. Back, up and over. Back, up and over. Back, up and over. Back, up and over. One more. Back, up and over. Now you're going to inhale, arms out to the side, all the way up, and then exhale, reaching forward. Good. So you're going to inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Good. Inhale and exhale. And last one, inhale and exhale. Well done. Now I want you to bring your hands off onto your shoulders like so. I want you to bring your elbows together and then back. Together and back. Together. Take them as far back as you can. So you feel the stretch here in your chest. And back. Together and back. One more. Together and back. Now bring the elbows up and take them back. Up and back. Up and back. Good. Up and and back. One more, up and back. Now you're going to reach the arms out, you're going to bring them forward, and you're going to turn your palms down like so. What you're going to do from here is you're going to draw your elbows back. So you're going to check that your elbows are in line with your shoulders. And then as you breathe out, we're going to rotate back. So you keep those elbows at that height. Come down and reach forward. So you're going to inhale, draw back. Exhale. Inhale. Reach forward. Good. Draw back. And rotate. Here. And reach forward. Now if you're a little bit tight in your shoulders, you don't have to go all the way back as I am, all right? You just move in whatever way suits you best. So if you find you're a little bit tight, or it's uncomfortable when you get to here, then stop there, yeah? You don't have to go all the way. Good, 2 more. And rotate. Here. And forward. And back. And rotate. Here. And forward. You're going to bring your arms down by your side, and then you're going to inhale as you take the body over to the side. So you're reaching down with this hand here. You're going to exhale to come back up. Then the other way. Inhale. And exhale up. Inhale. And exhale up. Good. Inhale and up. So we're going nice steady pace, nothing too fast. We don't need to go fast because we're focusing on the technique. Inhale and up. Once more each way. And inhale and exhale up. Inhale and up. Now we're going to take the hands, we're going to interlace the fingers, take the hands behind your head and think of drawing your head back into your hands. You're going to try and keep your hips still, and you're going to take a breath in, and we're going to breathe out. We're going to try and rotate the ribs to the side, and then inhale, come back to center. And then the other way, breathe out as you rotate, and inhale back to center. Good. And back to center. And back to center. Once more each way. And center. And center. Bring the hands down. All right, we're going to do a little bit with the hips. So you're going to bend your knees. And this is called the hip hitch. So watch the hip. Hip is here, and then I'm going to hitch it up. Can you see I've hitched it up, and then I'm going to push it back down. So I'm going to hitch it up, and I'm going to push it back down. So this is working the muscles on the side of the waist. Hitch and down. Hitch and down. Hitch and down. One more. Hitch and down. Other side. Hitch it up and down. Hitch it up and down. Good. Hitch and down. Hitch and down. Hitch and down. And hitch and down. Coming up. Good. So we're going to do a little bit of hip circles now. So you're going to bend the knees. You're going to take the hips forward, side, around and back. So forward, side, around and back. Forward, side, around and back. Forward, side, around and back. Forward, side, around. Can you go the other way? So we're going forward, round and back. Good. Forward, round and back. Forward, round and back. Forward, round and back. And forward, round and back. So from here, little knee bends. You're going to inhale, bend the knees. And exhale up. Inhale, bend. And up. Good. So back is straight. You're hinging forward from the hips, yes? Bend. And up. Bend. And up. Good. Now you don't want to go past 90 degrees, so just check that angle there. Try and check that your knees are going over your feet. Bend and up and bend and up. Now we're going to roll down through the spine. So take a deep breath in. Breathe out, chin to the chest, bending the knees, and then you're just going to let the arms hang, let the head hang, coming all the way down to the floor, taking a deep breath in there, and then breathing out, draw the tummy in, and slowly come back up. Let's do that again. Deep breath in, and exhale, chin to the chest, bending the knees, and rolling down. Good. Inhale and exhale. Coming up. And one more deep breath in. And exhale, chin to the chest. Bending the knees. All the way down. Inhale and exhale. Coming all the way up. All right, so you're going to put your hands on your hips. And you're going to take your right foot forward, left foot forward, right foot forward, left foot forward, left. All right, so here we go. You're going to lift the foot up and we're going to circle, circle. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other way and in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Takes a lot of concentration, that one, doesn't it? Trying to keep your balance. So let's do the other side. All right, so you're lifting the foot up and then we're going to circle out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other way and in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Well done. Okay, so continuing our strength idea, what I want you to do now is think of stepping out to the side, keeping the foot facing forward. So I'm going to show you. You're going to step out, bend the knee and come back. Yes, so as wide as you can, land, bend the knee and come back. And back. And back. That's it. And back. And that. 2 more. And back. And that. Let's do the other side. So stepping out. And back. And back. So arms are coming forward. And back. That's it. And back. And back. This is get the heart rate up a little bit. Yes. And back. Well done. From there, come back to your standing position. Should find your heart rate's lifted a little bit. Now we're going to take the arms out to the side. In fact, let's take them up. Make it a bit more challenging. Well, I'm always touching the ceiling here. Okay. So from here, we're going to breathe out. We're going to lift the leg up and take it down. Lift it up and take it down. So you're just going to tap the floor. Lift it up and down. Lift it up and down. Good. Lift and down. Lift and down. 2 more. Lift and down. Last one. Lift. I'm losing my balance. And down. Good. On to the other side. So other leg forward. So just mirror me. So you're doing exactly the same leg as I am. Okay, and here we go. Lift and down. Lift and down. Lift and down. Lift and down. Good. Lift and down and lift and down. All right, little bit of exercise on the side of the leg again. All right, so you're going to take the leg to the side, little lift and down, lift and down, lift and down, lift and down. Good, so keep pulling in with the tummy. This is where the core work is actually coming in. You're having to balance and use your core while you do these exercises. Last one, lift and lower. Foot out to the other side. Lift and lower. 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 Last 2. And lift and lower. Now we're going to take a leg to the back. All right, so we've got our leg behind us, hands slightly forward, keeping that leg straight, raise it to the back, lift and lower, lift and lower. So you can really feel the bottom working, leg is really straight, that's it, and 4, 3, 2, 1, bring the leg in, take the other leg back. All right, so try and square up those hips. Take the arm forward. And then we're going to lift and lower. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Good. 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Bring the foot back in, so back to your position, and to finish a little energizing move, you're going to inhale to bring the arms up, exhale to go down. 4, 1, 2, and lifting up and down. Inhale to lift, inhale to lift, and up, and 1, 2, lifting up, bringing the arms down. And give yourselves a round of applause. You did another workout, well done. So that was our little standing, strengthening, balancing core workout. I hope you enjoyed it. Do let me know. Please press the like button if you liked it, and do share with all your friends. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.